Hey everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm unboxing my Misfits Market order. I had some add-ons and again, I was late to customizing. We've been through this. I actually waited until the last morning to customize because I can't get in there when everybody else can. So I just left it to the very last minute and it actually worked out okay. I was able to get everything I wanted. There's some things this week that I really didn't want or need, but got anyway because you have to pick something in those categories. I wish they would change that somehow, but it is what it is for now. I think the price is pretty good for what you get. So let's get the box open and I'm going to show you what's inside. So the first two things we have is the take and bake bread, and I love this. I know it doesn't give you a lot of information on Misfits Market website, so let me explain. This is shelf stable. This one is sourdough, it's 4 ingredients. This one is rosemary and it's 5 ingredients. They are a pretty good value. I can put them right on the shelf in my pantry, and then we always have bread in the house for when we have soups or something. And I really love it. This is not organic, but it's certified non-GMO. I feel good about that. The one that we had gotten from Imperfect Foods was actually organic. I wish that that was available from Misfits. Retail price is $4.99. I got each of these for $3.99, so I saved $1. And I've actually never seen these in the grocery store anyway, and I don't really go to the grocery store much. When I do these days go to the grocery store, it's Trader Joe's at an off hour when there's very few people in the store. I definitely don't go to places like ShopRite. I have occasionally gone to Wegmans, again, off hours when there's very few people in the store, but it's like once a month, if that, maybe not even, maybe once every other month, I have to venture into a store and I buy whatever I might need. So these are nice to have, and I'm going to put these right on the shelf of my pantry right now. My messy pantry. But you know what? When you've got a small apartment and a small kitchen, you got to work with what you've got. Okay, so now we have a very large bulb of garlic. This is organic garlic. This is huge. I'm going to put that right here with the rest of my garlic. And then we have 2 different kinds of broccolini. Do you like broccolini? I love broccolini. I don't like broccoli because it gives me a lot of gas and makes me uncomfortable. But broccolini doesn't do that. So we have green broccolini, which is regular broccolini. And then we have purple broccolini. And this is baby broccoli. And I don't know why broccolini doesn't give me stomach distress the way that broccoli does, but I'm glad it doesn't. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you have that problem with broccoli? Do you prefer broccolini? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. And we have 2 organic curly parsley. I would have preferred flat leaf, but hey, I'm just happy that I was able to get some parsley this time. It's so hard to get from Misfits because everybody takes it right away. And when you're late to customize, like I always am, because of my work schedule, it's good when I can finally get it. I have some, looks like hydroponic lettuce. This is looking a little not so great. It's kind of smushed. But again, we've been through this. That's the kind of thing that happens when you just stick everything in a box and you don't pack it mindfully. This one's a little bit nicer. This is a tighter leaf. I don't know if you can see that. This looks like this one's better. And then we got some red leaf lettuce. Look at a little sad. Maybe we'll just throw those outer leaves away right off the bat because they're looking a little sad. You know what? My cats actually were playing with a piece of romaine the other day. They love green beans, Brussels sprouts, and romaine. And they don't eat it. They just toss it around and play with it. I've actually set the table and put lettuce on a plate, and my littlest cat, Cece, she steals the lettuce and then runs around the house with it. Has that happened to you? Do your animals like vegetables? I think it's really cute. So I don't discourage it as long as it's nothing that can't hurt them. I wonder though, am I the only one? Another red leaf lettuce, and this one looks better. There's just one outer leaf that's a little suspect, but this looks nice. We have some bok choy. Looks like I'm going to be making something Asian this week. Some bok choy. I love bok choy. Yes, definitely going to be making something Asian because we have some scallions too. So bok choy and scallions are great for that, for Asian food. And then we have some rainbow chard, and this looks really pretty. Oh, more rainbow chard. So pretty. I love this. We have a package of something. Let's find out what this is. Some plum tomatoes. I like that they put that in the biodegradable clamshell. I appreciate that. Some limes, and these are a little discolored, but you know what? Honestly, when I get them at the store, they're also discolored. This is, in case I forgot to mention it, the all organic madness box. So this is the large box, and it's all organic. Got some golden quinoa because I believe this was $2.99 or maybe $3.99. But it's a really good deal for quinoa, and quinoa can get expensive sometimes. So, I mean, we just bought a bunch from BJ's, but it's nice when we can get smaller packages too. Some zucchini. These look nice. They're a little nicked up, but this is a nice size zucchini. This one's a little bit skinnier, but they're good. Pretty eggplant. Wow, it's an organic eggplant or aubergine. Some summer squash. Feel a little gritty, but summer squash always feels gritty. So we'll wash that off. And some limes. This one is not looking so hot. This one is definitely not good, but the rest of the limes are okay. This one's a little rotten. 2 grapefruits. These are smaller than I would expect for grapefruits, but this will do. Another one of those garlics. These are really large. I'm happy with the size of those garlic. Another bit of the red leaf lettuce that was falling off, and another bok choy, another lime, and this one looks fine. I think this is more tomatoes. Yes. Some more tomatoes, and these are nice and firm. These are good. I'm happy with those tomatoes. And I like that they're in a clamshell and protected. That's unusual. Misfits doesn't usually do that. And then looks like we have some peppers. Ooh. We have a dented can. Some shishito peppers, I think. These look good. Colin likes these. And then I got some black beans, but this was delivered by CDL. It got knocked around a bit, I guess, in transit. So we've got a dented can of black beans. So I'm going to have to tell Misfits about that. This one looks okay. These are kidney beans. Oh, and a tiny piece of ginger at the bottom. Why is there a tiny piece of ginger at the bottom? And why is it so small? Usually when I get ginger from Misfits, it's much larger than this. So Okay. Now, first I'm going to do what Misfit has asked me to do. And that's whenever I get something that is not in good condition to take a picture of it. So I'm going to do that with the black beans. How do you photograph a dented can? And I'm going to do that with the lime. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys the other stuff. So this is what I got. This is what I got. It's a lot of produce, especially for this amount. And then we have those two things over there that are not good. But this is, I think, a really good value. But it's not all about me. What do you think? Is this worth what I paid? And I'll put the receipt up right here. Let me know what you think of value for dollar. And then leave me a comment down below and let me know what your experience has been with Misfits Market. Have you ordered from them? Have you had issues with them? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment, hit that red subscribe button and tap the bell icon. I post at least 3 videos a week, and one of them is always an unboxing. So if you like this kind of content, nutrition, wellness, health, and fitness, go ahead and subscribe and tap that bell so that you never miss a video. This is Amy. I will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.